He stares at me with a familiar gaze, but I don't recognize his face. He looks like me, but not quite the same. He has my features, but not my identity. He smiles at me with a mocking grin, a reflection of the world I'm living in. His eyes, they hold a silent plea to see the truth of who I used to be. In the mirror, our worlds collide, two souls entwined that cannot hide. The choices made, the paths we've taken, a silent dialogue, our hearts awaken. Who is this man in the mirror? Why does he haunt me so? Is he a friend or a foe? Is he a reflection or a projection? I wonder if he knows me at all, or if he's just a shadow on the wall. I wonder if he's real or a lie, or if he's me or another guy. Maybe he's the man I want to be, or maybe he's the man I fear to see. Maybe he's the man I could have been, or maybe he's the man I'll never win. The man in the mirror is a mystery, but he's also a part of me. He's a reminder of what I am and what I'm not. He's a mirror of my soul and my thought. He wears my scars like battle lines, each one a story, a sign of the times, invisible battles fought deep within. The mirror man bears the weight of struggles untold. He shows me the facades I put up, masks I wear when life gets tough, each one a shield, a different role to hide the pieces of my soul. He gazes back with a knowing, cryptic stare. He's me, and yet he isn't quite the same. Right before the mirror where I stand, this alter ego, my fractured self, aligns. In his smile, there's a spark of hope, a reminder that I can still cope with the challenges that life has thrown, embracing the person I've always known. Through this portal, our destinies blur, an identity fractured, a dance that will endure. He echoes my thoughts, my passions, my despair, the man in the mirror, an endless, eerie snare. His eyes hold echoes of time's endless stream, an embodiment of my deepest hidden dream. Is he a stranger or a facet of my soul? In this looking glass, mysteries take their toll. Who is this man in the mirror? Why does he taunt me so? Is he a guide or a judge? Is he a lesson or a grudge? I wonder if he likes me at all, or if he's just a critic on the wall. I wonder if he's fair or harsh, or if he's me or a farce. Maybe he's the man I need to face, or maybe he's the man I need to erase. Maybe he's the man I can change, or maybe he's the man I can't arrange. The man in the mirror is a mystery, but he's also a part of me. He challenges me to break the mold, to find my worth and to be bold, and reclaim the self that disappeared.